Sleep. Nian is sleeping. Sleep now. Ah, yan. Very good. Sleep now. Sleep.
Come on.
Sleep.
Come on.
Nian is also sleeping. He has spoon. Oh.
Close your eyes now.
Sleep. Nian is sleeping.
Sleep.
Oh, Nathan is sleeping. Look at Nathan. Oh, just like his dad.
No.
Snoring. Oh.
Nagihilik ba?
Wow, Nathan is sleeping. Gagong loko. Kuha yung tatay ang putay. Sa'yo nagagaya siguro yan pag natutulog kayo.
Magkaiwalay kami.
Wow, Nathan!
Ginagaya yung tatay niya pag ano, tutulog.
Hindi kami magkatabi. Ikaw.
Sumakit lalamunan. Loko-loko.